mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Kama kuna shida, kama kuna shida.
Yeah. Are you experiencing harshness in your vocals? However much you try to mix them, they still misbehave. If you are in the same category, do these two things. You will fix this problem permanently. Fix number one. Insert a dynamic EQ like this one. Find the frequency that is misbehaving. Mostly it's around 2K. It's around 2K to 10K around here. You can just play the vocal and then spot the place.
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Kama kuna shida.
So I'm going to sweep around 2K here and see which frequency exactly is harsh, so that we control it here with the dynamic EQ. This is Fabfilter Pro 3.
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia.
It is this frequency, for my case, around 10K here. So after spotting the frequency that is harsh, what you can do, you lower the volume and then make it dynamic like that. After, just come and drag this. This is a threshold. Drag it down like that. Something like 2 dB. Don't over compress it.
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Kama kuna shida, kama kuna shida.
This magic always works. This trick works like magic always. As you can hear, just the little things that we have done here, the vocal start sounding controlled. This place is always very, very misbehaving. If you are not careful, your vocals will be so disturbing to the ears and to your clients also. So this is very important, as you can listen.
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Kama kuna shida.
We can listen before this dynamic EQ. We can just mute it like this.
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisutoki. Mwambie sitoki.
And with it.
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri.
There is a very big difference. Yeah, after doing this, it depending on because the vocals are always different. So depending with your case, you can decide to add a De-Esser after this dynamic EQ. You can add this De-Esser and target around 500 hertz here. It's always problematic. Then can control it with the
Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. Mwambie sitoki wala siendi, anisubiri dia. kama kuna shida,
You see?
kama kuna shida,
So you see, this trick will save you a lot of energy, a lot of disappointments, a lot of harshness in your mix and in your music. So try it and let me know what you think in the comment section, and if it works for you, just let me know. Thank you for watching. If you are new, subscribe so that we move on with great tutorials. Stay safe, guys. Bye.